Before we get into how to start using C++, you have to learn what it is and how it came about. The reason for this is simple. To truly know something, you have to know everything you possibly can learn about the subject, especially when it comes to something so technical such as computer programming. C++ is a very important part of computer and internet history. It is simply something that is interwoven within the history of the technological world as we know today. Furthermore, the apps and other functions on a smartphone would not exist if it were not for C++. When you're learning C++, you'll be filled with wonder at the fact that one programming language can have so much impact in our daily lives. Almost every computer ever built can be attributed to a specific aspect that can be traced back to the language of C++. One of the benefits of learning this language is the ability to learn other languages with ease. Having the ability of learning C++ will enhance your knowledge of other programming language, which is why many people regard it as the godfather of computer programming. Furthermore, many big companies still need programmers that have C++ as they rely on this programming language to run their central computer system. So, when the going gets tough, just know it'll benefit you in the long run. So stay strong and get in the programming mindset. History of C++. Bjarne Stroustrup was working on his thesis for his doctorate, and he decided to work with a programming language that was known as Simula. This language was one of the first programming languages of the computer age. However, it was very slow and full of bugs. Stroustrup came up with the idea of C with classes, a programming language that was a lot faster than Simula. C with classes later became C-front, which sped up the process of creating a language. However, C-front was left in the dust when C++ came along because it added compilers to the language, making it a lot easier and faster to use than any other project language of the time. Since then, there have been annotated reference guides and updates to the language to make it better and faster, and even easier to use. C++ for Dummies is a popular guide for this language. C++ is one of the most popular languages out there today. This language is the best for many industries, so rather than make a new language, which takes a lot of time, they just adapt C++ to many different variations because it is versatile in its nature.